Hey, how's it going? Now that I got the car basically vacuumed out, I'm getting ready to come in here and try to join the transtone I put in out of the 300C and kind of graft it into the rear seating area. This is not going to get a rear seat now, so we're going to cap it off, put a divider in where the back of the seat would be at, kind of like a firewall type deal. And so let me give you kind of idea what I'm thinking about doing. So you can see here there's definitely a big difference between this tunnel and what's left of the original tunnel. I mean, there's like a big difference going on there. So what I want to do is graft this together. So my thought is I'm going to cut along here on both sides, lift this part up to here, and that'll kind of be my starting point. And then make some pieces to join along the side, and I might get started on this and not like it and start over. But you don't know until you try and you figure it out. I've got it loosely marked out where I want to cut, and we'll try from there. I'm not going to go cut across the back here. That's kind of like where I want it to bend at. So let's break out the cutoff wheel and get this cut. All right, I get my sawzall, cut the rest of this, and we'll see about bending it up. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna make the car, get this pushed up as tight as I can. I'm gonna put a silk tapper in the middle and then start flaring some stuff out. All right, got it bent upwards, got some silk tappers in it. So I'll kind of give you an idea of what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned up. Bottom part through here, I'm gonna bend up, kind of match what's going on down this way. Bend this down a little bit. So I got a nice surface going all the way across on both sides. And then we'll cut out some pieces and fill in the gaps. Now that I got everything cleaned off, so I got a good welding surface, I'm going to do a little bit of tweaking down in here, get it where it'll bend up a little bit, and then get some templates, or I should say make some templates, and get some metal cut. So here's the template that I made for the piece I'm going to put in. It'll work on both sides. So it's going to sit in there like so. I'm going to weld on the top of it, and then we'll get underneath the car. We'll weld underneath in the open area and smooth it all out. So let me get set up and get it tacked in place. Alrighty, I got this side tacked in. Just gonna let it cool off for a little bit, and then get back on it, finish welding this side up, and then I still got the other side to do. But you kind of get the idea of what I'm doing. So I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Y'all have a good one, a safe one, and I'll see you down the road.